Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. An 11-year-old child battling cancer needs your help this evening. He's in need of life-saving treatment overseas. Sandy Williams has his story.
From a swollen face to an infected gum to hair loss, Damian Blackstock has experienced them all. The 11-year-old has been battling leukemia for a year now.
I hate this.
He was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia last June. It's a type of blood cancer which starts in the bone marrow before quickly spreading to other parts of the body. Shakira Robinson is his mother.
They said that one was one of the roughest one. They started chemo at the time. He had 3 sessions of chemo treatment. He was there, getting his treatment. He was released on December last year. Then he was coming monthly for his regular checkup. But since June last month, I realized something was off with him.
Another trip to the hospital confirmed that the youngster had a relapse. The cancer is getting aggressive and the treatment is no longer working. It's taking a toll on Damian.
Sometimes he get devastated. Sometimes he told me, "Mommy, I can't bother. I can't do this no more." I had to encourage him as a mother. Keep on pushing like your mommy, hold the faith. You're going to be well.
Coupled with all those challenges, the doctors have indicated he would need to undergo a bone marrow transplant to save his life. But the procedure is not done in Jamaica. Ms. Robinson has been reaching out to facilities overseas with the hospital's help. However, Damian can't be admitted unless $1 million is secured to pay for the surgery. She's self-employed. However, her son's condition has impacted her income as she travels from Clarendon to visit him at the Bustamante Hospital for Children daily.
Just for my fare daily, it's like $3,300 daily. So it's really hard. I had to leave from Langsville Park to Maypen. Then I leave Maypen to a place called Pleasant Valley to leave my son. Then I go back to Maypen. Then I take a bus from Maypen, come downtown. Then I take a taxi from downtown, come to Children. And it's the same procedure going home back. So when I'm finished visiting my son daily, when I reach back home, it's like night. It's like 9 o'clock, 8:30. I don't have time to open the business.
Ms. Robinson is desperately appealing for help as she fears the worst could happen.
If everybody that is hearing me out there, if anybody out there that is watching me worldwide, if you just donate $1 US for my son, whether it's US or Jamaican currency, 1 million person can save my son's life by donating $1.
If you want to help Damian, you can WhatsApp Shakira Robinson at 345-322-0899. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.